Hello, welcome to the Marjonaut Show, the cybersecurity show. Your remote desktop setup may not be the best, right? You might want to consider the Rust desk. So in this video, I'm going to talk about it and show you how to set that up. So without further ado, let's get into it. We're going dark. So rustdesk is an open source remote desktop application that allows users to remotely access and control computers and other devices. It is designed as a free alternative to commercial software like TeamViewer and AnyDesk. So rustdesk is primarily written in Rust and uses Flutter since version 1.2.0, right? Now, the key features and aspects of rustdesk is the cross-platform compatibility. Rustdesk supports multiple operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, and iOS. The security, it offers end-to-end encryption for secure remote connections. There's the self-hosting, of users that have that option to host their own servers, giving them more control over their data and security. Now, the features of rustdesk includes features like the file transfer, the chat, the TCP tunneling, and session recording. It also supports multi-monitor configurations. Now, the ease of use rustdesk features an intuitive interface, making it user-friendly for both novice and advanced users. Integration: rustdesk can integrate with Microsoft Active Directory, simplifying device management in large organizations. Rustdesk aims to provide a secure and reliable remote desktop experience, suitable for both personal and commercial use. Now, here's how to set it up. So to set up rustdesk, follow these precise steps. First, you're going to want to choose a server. You can either use rustdesk's public server or set up your own self-hosted server. Now, for self-hosting, install the server software on a Linux or Windows machine. Configure firewall settings to allow necessary ports. You have the TCP 21115, the 21119, the UDP, the 21116, and the TCP 8000. If you like this video so far, please take a moment right now to hit that subscribe button and that like button. If you're gaining value, if you're getting the information that you came here for, please hit that subscribe button and that like button. Thank you very much. Now, moving on, to install rustdesk client software on devices you want to connect, download the appropriate version for your operating system, run the installer, and follow on-screen instructions. Configure the client, right? Open rustdesk settings on the client device. Go to Network and unlock the settings. Enter your self-hosted server details, the IP/domain and port. Now, for easier deployment, you can create a custom installer with pre-configured server settings. Now, remember to ensure proper security settings, proper security measures such as like setting up the authentication and using HTTPS for web console access. Now, what are the common issues faced during rustdesk server setup? Now, the common issues, you have the DNS and network issues. The problem, you have rustdesk may fail to generate an ID or connect to the network due to DNS resolution issues. Now, the solution is to change the DNS servers being used, via the, via/etc/ the resolve.config or router settings. Now, to ensure proper domain resolution for relay servers like the RS, that's the sg.rustdesk.com. Now, the firewall and port configuration is another problem, right? The necessary ports is the TCP 21114 and the 21119 and the UDP 21116. It may be blocked, right, by firewalls or cloud provider settings. Now, the solution: open these ports on your firewall or cloud dashboard to allow traffic. Then you have the SE Linux restrictions problem. On systems like Fedora, SE Linux policies may block rustdesk services like the HBBS and the HBBR. Now, the solution is adjust SE Linux policies using commands like cmanage, semanage, the FC, the fcontext, and the restoreCon. Now, you have service startup issues, right? The problem is services like the HBBS/HBBR may pause unexpectedly or fail to start. Now, the solution is ensure proper permissions and configurations for these services, including checking for missing keys like the ID_ED 25519.pub. Now, there are also encryption and security concerns. Now, the problem is connections may remain unencrypted if SSL is not properly configured. Now, the solution is set up a DNS name for your server and configure SSL certificates to secure connections. Okay, if you got what you came here for, please hit that subscribe button and that like button. If you got what you came here for, if you're enjoying this content, if you gain value, please hit that subscribe button and the like button. See you in the next video.